Correction, 20 track miles and touchdown vectoring for an SRA approach runway 23.
SRA runway 23, Golf Nome Charlie.
Radar please, 252, such complete routing back to Northwell, thank you very much for your help. Please 252, bye. Goodbye.
So we should be going basically a beam the NDB sort of nowish.
Yep.
Happy days. And what's that range wise? That is 4.3 miles. That's typical, isn't it? We've got an NDB with a decimal in it, we're half tuned to it. And it's pointing the right.
November Charlie, turn right heading 060 degrees.
Right, 060 degrees, Golf Nome Charlie.
So it's the Southend plate runway 23. It's dated 3rd of July this year. It's effective on the 16th of July. It's for all categories. Okay, it's a radar approach, final course is by air traffic. Minima we see below. Airport elevation is 55 feet. The MSA is based on the NDB. In all sectors apart from the southwest is 1800 feet MSA. In the southwest, 2300 is the highest MSA.
Yeah.
Notes, ILS DME reads 0 at the threshold for 05 and 0 at 23. Lowest altitude to start the procedure from locator is from following the missed approach is 2000 feet.
Yep.
So we need the ILS DME set 111.35, which is...
We do. We just want 1135.
Sorry, 111.35 is set on the NAVs and the DME.
Yeah.
We have the NDV set.
Yeah.
Final approach course according to this is 233 degrees.
Yeah.
Procedures established outside controlled airspace. And for runway 05.
Request a basic service VFR and entry to CTA.
We've got check altitudes at 5 DME, 4 DME, 3 DME and 2 DME. At
H1017, squawk 4575, Golf Mike Juliet.
So for the SRA terminal,
Yankee Mike Juliet, clear to enter Southend controlled airspace.
we're going for the runway 23, aren't we?
Yeah.
About 3,400 feet, radar
For the SRA terminating at 2 nautical miles,
CTA 4, 3,400 feet, radar control.
that will be at
Bravo Yankee Mike Juliet.
730 feet.
Okay, cool. And the glide path is probably 3 degrees, is it?
Glide path is...
986, so head to Ricky, looking to route in via
doesn't say, 233 degrees, an approach speed of 90 knots, the rate of descent is 478 feet per minute, and sorry, the minimum is 560 feet.
Pipeline 86,
You're required to have RVR for 1500 meters. There's the option to circle to land. There's also the ability to time for the final approach fix, which I will try and do.
Okay. Okay, so we're about 10 miles, 8 and a bit miles downwind. He's going to start thinking about turning us in soon. So before landing, checklist before the approach check. So parking brake is off, brakes we have pressure, mixture is rich, propeller can stay where it is for now, fuel pump is on, landing light is on. We've got 1017 set, and documents out, cross-checked.
Golf November Charlie, turn right, heading 135.
Right, heading 135, Golf Nome Charlie.
Golf India Bravo Foxtrot Whiskey is cleared to enter Southend controlled airspace on track to the Sierra November Delta at altitude 3,000 feet IFR.
Golf Foxtrot Whiskey cleared to enter Southend controlled airspace at 3,000 feet IFR.
Golf Foxtrot Whiskey AFM on track to the Sierra November Delta.
On track to Sierra November Delta.
Golf Correction Pipeline 86 cleared to enter Southend controlled airspace. VFR not above altitude 1,000 feet.
Cleared to enter controlled airspace, VFR not above 1,000 feet, Papa 86.
Golf India Alpha November Charlie, this will be a surveillance radar approach runway 23, terminating at 3 miles from 2 miles from touchdown with a 3-degree glide path.
Golf India Alpha Charlie, roger.
Golf November Charlie, QNH is 1017, obstacle clearance altitude 490 feet, check minimum descent altitude.
QNH 1017, copy OCA over 490, no Charlie. I get a feeling he's like going, oh my god, it's been so long since I've done this.
Yeah, it's, it'll be new for them actually, I would imagine. I bet they don't do that many.
Yeah, apologies, I read you the wrong minima. It is correct, it's 490.
Yeah.
Golf Foxtrot Whiskey, enter controlled airspace, radar control.
Golf Foxtrot Whiskey.
Golf Foxtrot Whiskey, radar control.
Golf Foxtrot Whiskey entering controlled airspace, radar control.
Golf November Charlie, turn right, heading 145.
Right, 145, Golf November Charlie.
Okay, so we're going to start slowing the aircraft down because he's putting us on a sort of a base leg.
Pipeline 86 entering controlled airspace in half-mile radar control.
Radar control, Papa 86.
Pipeline 86, contact Southend Tower 127.730.
127.730, Papa 86.
Golf November Charlie, turn right, heading 180 degrees, 11 track miles. Your descent will begin at 6 miles.
Right, 180 degrees, roger, Golf November Charlie.
November Charlie, turn right, heading 230 degrees.
Right, 230 degrees, Golf November Charlie.
Golf India Alpha November Charlie on the missed approach, climb to altitude 2,000 feet straight ahead until instructed.
On missed approach, climb straight ahead, 2,000 feet until instructed, Golf November Charlie. Golf India Alpha November Charlie.
So there's 2-3, we're expecting descent. That's 6 miles, 9 miles out.
Southend radar, good afternoon. Golf Bravo Uniform India Kilo request.
Golf Bravo Uniform India Kilo, Southend radar, pass your message.
Golf Bravo Uniform India Kilo is a PA-28 Piper Warrior from North Wheel to North Wheel to VFR. Currently we're 6 to the east of North Wheel, 2,000 feet. QNH 1016 requesting a basic service, 2 POB.
Golf India Kilo basic service, squawk 4575, QNH 1017.
Basic service, squawk 4575 and QNH 1017, Golf India Kilo.
Golf November Charlie, slightly right of track, turn left heading 220 degrees.
Left 220 degrees, Golf November Charlie.
Golf India Bravo Foxtrot Whiskey. On reaching the Sierra November Delta, commence the ILS procedure but maintain altitude 3,000 feet until instructed.
Golf Foxtrot Whiskey, maintain course to Sierra November Delta, maintain 3,000 feet until instructed.
Golf Foxtrot Whiskey, maintain, correction, commence the ILS procedure but maintain altitude 3,000 feet until instructed. Report beacon outbound.
Commence the ILS procedure and then maintain 3,000 feet until instructed. Report beacon outbound. Golf Foxtrot Whiskey.
Golf November Charlie, approaching 7 miles from touchdown, slightly right of track but closing nicely.
Golf November Charlie.
Yeah, there's approach flap.
November Charlie on track, turn right, heading 225.
225, Golf November Charlie.
Golf November Charlie, 6 miles from touchdown, commence descent now to maintain a 3-degree glide path on track.
We'll go, Golf November Charlie.
The ground speed is 51 knots.
Golf November Charlie, there is traffic just left of your 12 o'clock, 4.5 miles crossing right to left is a helicopter at 500 feet.
Golf November Charlie.
So that should be about 380, 400 feet per minute.
Yeah, that's exactly what we got.
Golf November Charlie, turn right, heading 230 degrees.
Right, 230 degrees, Golf November Charlie.
At 5 miles, we should be at 1680.
Golf November Charlie, 5 miles from touchdown, altitude should be 1690 feet, just slightly left of track.
Golf November Charlie.
And touch low, so just reducing the rate of descent.
Golf Foxtrot Whiskey is Sierra now.
I'll let him give the check altitudes.
Outbound, and now we're established outbound.
Golf Foxtrot Whiskey, but maintain altitude 3,000 feet until instructed.
Maintain 3,000 feet until instructed, Golf Foxtrot Whiskey.
Rock, come up towards, go around now.
November Charlie, 4 miles from touchdown, on track, altitude should be 1370 feet.
Golf November Charlie.
Okay.
Reducing rate of descent again.
Okay. Ground speed is 66 knots.
665.
So that gives us, used to be
300-ish feet, yeah.
Golf Foxtrot Whiskey, descend to altitude 2,000 feet, report localizer established.
Golf Foxtrot Whiskey, descend to 2,000 feet, report localizer established.
Golf November Charlie, 3 miles from touchdown, on track, altitude should be 1050 feet.
Golf November Charlie. Southend radar, Golf Juliet Sierra Foxtrot Charlie, request basic service.
Golf Juliet Sierra Foxtrot Charlie, Southend radar, standby, call you back very shortly.
Jeffrey, Haddingfield reservoir request, zone entry to Raleigh and on to Tilbury.
Is that grid 03?
Grid 03 FM.
Grid 03, we'll just stand by, quick back very shortly. Copy, Charlie on track, 2 miles from touchdown, altitude should be 730 feet, approach complete, runway 23, surface wind 180 degrees, 11 knots, clear touch and go.
And Golf November Charlie, this will be for a low approach and go around.
Golf November Charlie, roger, cleared, low approach.
Low approach, go around, Golf November Charlie.
Golf November Charlie, that previously mentioned helicopter now just in your left, 11 o'clock, 2 miles, and he'll be passing behind you at 800 feet at the moment.
Golf November Charlie visual.
Okay, so the minima was
490.
Okay.
I'll go around at 500 so we don't go below.
Good.
Reds, blues, greens. Our peak can come off now. I reckon we got enough of that, Andy?
I think you would. Okay, I'm visual with the helicopter. Go around.
Okay, 500 going around. I think it is on the pitch. I'm straight ahead, 2000, yeah.
Correct.
Golf November Charlie going around.
Golf November Charlie, roger. Grid 03, sorry, say again your requested routing.
Grid 03, Haddingfield to Raleigh
Height,
to
safe
Tilbury.
speed, flaps coming back up.
Grid 03, roger, cleared to enter Southend controlled airspace, on track Raleigh VFR, not above altitude 1,500 feet.
Return to VFR, not above altitude 1,500 feet towards Raleigh, Grid 03.